Hello. So this is going to be the third video about the YouTube, but it's going to be the second one because the first one is 0, 0, 1, 2. So this is going to be video number 2. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a YouTube channel video so you can upload it to your YouTube channel. How to create the first video and upload it to your YouTube channel. That's going to be the topic of this conversation today. There's a lot of really important steps that you don't want to miss. It's a tutorial, so make sure you watch it till the very end because there's some really important steps that are at the end that you don't want to miss. Alright, so let's get started. And the way that we're going to run this is I actually have a video that I am preparing, which is video number 1, and it has not been uploaded yet, and we're actually going to go through the whole process of uploading a video to YouTube. So this tutorial is not how to make a video, although we'll touch on that one right in the beginning really quickly, but more on how to quickly and easily, and most importantly painlessly, upload a video to YouTube. Alright, so we have actually created a folder. I have created a folder inside our Dropbox. Make sure you keep things tucked away from your personal computer on the cloud because it saves you space. And it's in our, actually, my bad, not in Dropbox. I need to put it into Dropbox, but it's currently on my desktop. Second day in growing your YouTube channel, right? So this is the video that we have just put together. Basically, it goes over what to expect on the second day of your YouTube channel, what statistics you will see and things of that nature, what's normal, what's not normal, etc. So I'm going to publish it, but we're going to publish it in a way that is search engine optimized so that it can actually be found on YouTube. It's really important. A lot of people make mistakes. Business owners, they create a video and then they just drop it into YouTube. They come up with some stupid title that never gets searched, and they don't even add description, or they would just type out some small stupid description that doesn't even have keywords, and then yeah, you get the point. Or they will pay a lot of money and somebody will do what we're doing for like $150 and get good income, but then it's not sustainable for a business owner to keep creating videos because it becomes too expensive. So yeah, let's learn how to do it ourselves. This way you can assign this job to your employee, and it's going to keep things so you can focus on your business. Alright, so we have a video, right? Second day in growing your YouTube channel for your business. This is an okay title to get started. We're going to actually press this button, going to create, and we're going to upload this video to YouTube. So I'm just going to drag and drop it here. Okay, while it's uploading and processing, we're going to talk about the way that we are creating a video. So I'm using a system called Screencast-O-Matic. Actually, that was the old name. Now it's called ScreenPal. So this video is not sponsored by ScreenPal. It would be nice if they would sponsor my video, but anyhow, ScreenPal is nice. I think I have an affiliate program with them actually. Anyways, if I do, I'm going to add a link into the comment section there. I'll pin it with the affiliate link because I think you can get a discount with my affiliate link. I'm pretty sure I had an affiliate link. But ScreenPal is good because it allows you to do screen recordings of whatever you want and of your screen, and then you don't actually have to be there on camera. Being on camera is absolutely fantastic, but you need to have an environment that would allow you to do that. I'm actually in process of building a tiny YouTube studio to be able to be on camera. It's going to increase your views by a lot. So stick around, maybe in future you'll actually be able to see me. So that's the first piece of software that I'm using, ScreenPal. It's not expensive, highly recommended. Now the second piece of software that I am using is called VidIQ. VidIQ, yep, that's the one. VidIQ is also not expensive. If we're going to go to pricing, you'll see that it's like $16–17 per month. I don't think it's expensive. So highly recommend ScreenPal and VidIQ. Again, I'm not an affiliate with VidIQ. I would like to be, but I'm not. But VidIQ is phenomenal. It just saves a ton of time. Anyways, check the comments section. I might actually become an affiliate for VidIQ if they have an affiliate program, because it really helps. I'm pretty sure in future people will be signing up for this through the videos that I'll be putting together. So what does VidIQ do? It will analyze your rough title and it will give you suggestions. What happens on day 2 of your YouTube channel, right? So you just want to scan through the recommended options. I want to refresh them, so maybe we can get something that scores a little bit better. 4 essential YouTube metrics to track on your business channel. We're not exactly going to like numbers, how many, 3 or 4 metrics. What really happens on the new YouTube channel after 2 days? I think this is really good. It's very specific, and we want to tailor my channel to business. What really happens on a new YouTube business channel, right? So we're tailoring our work to our businesses. Yeah, it's going to reduce my score a little bit, but that's fine, because we really want to tie in the business in here. And then there's a couple of options to generate description. We can just add it here, but we can also take this item. We can go to AI tools, ChatGPT, and then we can do this. Create YouTube description for a video. Yeah, I know this is probably something that you know how to do, but there's a trick to this. The trick is that is human-like. Alright, so if Google or YouTube ever decides to crack down on things that are AI generated, when you are prompting it to create human-like, it's actually going to make a description in a way that is very difficult to impossible to decrypt and see if it's actually if it is actually done by a machine. So just going to give you a little bit of protection there. Now you can pay $50 for a designer to create a thumbnail image, but I'm not going to, because AI generates really good thumbnail images right now, and it takes just a click. First to use matter, understanding your audience. Okay, easy channel growth. I think this one is really relatable. So you want to make sure that whatever you are doing in terms of your YouTube presentation, that it truly aligns with your video, right? We can even refine it more. What happens after I really want to make it relate to the title. So I'm just going to generate some more. We'll see if we can get something more specific. It's not exactly the first view matters. Actually, the first views, they don't matter. 2 days of growth. YouTube after 2 days. Okay, let's use this one. I like this one more. You want to see yellow colors and something that would catch a person's attention. Now you can run and a test. You can test and compare. You can add multiple thumbnail images. We're just going to do 2. YouTube is not going to be able to give you a clear answer, first one or the second one, with the new channel that we have right now, because there's not going to be enough data. So just out of habit, I'm going to add 2, but we'll select this one, the second one, manually once the test is done running. The test is really not going to show us anything. Now playlist is really important. Make sure you create playlist. You can click here, new playlist. You can add a playlist. But playlists are really important because they really help structure the content, and they will tell YouTube where your content belongs to. Now tags, you can just go through this and select tags, or you can just ask ChatGPT, create SEO tags for this video, 500 car limit, because we have 500 character limit. Now, is ChatGPT going to honor the 500 character limit? Let's see. Yes, it did. Awesome. Because previously it didn't. So I guess it learned. Now, I'm not going to bother with the captions and other items. Category education, definitely education. You don't want to be in the comedy entertainment, because the cost per ad, once you monetize your channel, are going to be so low, it's not even worth it. Education gives you fairly good cost level of income for what you're doing here. Now, you can go here and basically explain what the problems you're solving. It's going to take a lot of time. I'm not going to. If you really want to optimize, you go through that process. So we're going to add an end screen. That's important. I'm going to click add, and then 1 video and 1 subscribe. So YouTube will actually choose the best video that's more applicable to the user that's watching the video. Usually that works pretty good. Then visibility, that's fine. Copyright, no issues, fine. Of course, we're not using any music. And then we're going to go public with it, but we're actually going to schedule it out. You don't want to put all of your videos in one day. Consistency is more important. So we have, yeah, we'll release it tomorrow. So video IQ is telling us when roughly is the best time to release the video for our audience. So that's fine. Optimization score is good. We got the link. I'm going to close it. There we go, see? Scheduled tomorrow. Let me know if you can actually see the video tomorrow. Let me know in the comment section if you're watching this video. That would be really cool. So yeah, great. So the video is going to be published. It's important to publish regularly on your YouTube channel, and if you can stick to a schedule, that's great. You can make multiple videos. Like, see, I skipped one day. October 21st, 22nd, 23rd is not here, but actually the video that you know what, I think I made a mistake here. Yep, it's not supposed to be published tomorrow. It's supposed to be published right now. Cancel, edit. Yeah, this video that I'm recording right now, this is the one that will be published tomorrow. Now how to figure out how to publish it right now. Alright, so if you have made the same mistake I did, actually go here, save or publish, and then we're going to go public, and we're going to publish it. There we go. It has been published. Wonderful. Now we have 3 videos. So we're going to see what kind of results we're going to get. We'll check up on it tomorrow. And we'll learn more about what's happening with our YouTube channel, and we'll optimize our information. So yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel to actually see what will be happening. Or if you are looking at the video, which you will probably find this video later on once the channel is really developed, go to the playlists, find the scaling your YouTube channel, and then in the YouTube channel playlist there's going to be video number 0, video number 1, number 2, etc. Just go through them in the order, and then you'll be able to see how we scaled our channel. One thing that we do want to change here is the description. Remember that we talked about this being video 1, so we definitely want to stick with the names so that it's a series. It actually shows the progression. Hugely reduced our score, but it's okay. I want to make sure that you are getting good education in terms of how to scale your YouTube channel rather than hunting for good SEO score right now. We're going to create a lot more videos about business and how to market and stuff like that. That will get us a lot of traffic, and it will get us fairly good SEO scores on those. But this YouTube channel, how to scale a YouTube channel, that playlist is going to be mainly focused on providing value to our end users. So go in the order, you'll learn a ton, and hopefully you'll be able to use this process to scale your channel as well.